Good morning, ma'am. Can I see your passport and ticket?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. Do you have any liquids in your bag?
Only a small water bottle.
Sorry, you can't take that through. Please finish it here.
Okay, no problem.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. I am flying to Rome.
May I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Are you checking in any luggage?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Okay, here it is.
Do you also have a carry-on bag?
Yes, just this backpack.
Great. Would you like a window or aisle seat?
Window seat, please.
Done. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is number 15. Boarding starts at 9:30.
Thank you very much.
Excuse me, where is the departures board?
It's right behind you on the wall. Oh, I see it now. Thank you. Is my flight to Rome on time?
It's on schedule.
And where exactly is gate 15?
Go straight, then turn left. You'll see the signs.
Please put all your belongings in the tray.
Do I need to take off my watch?
Yes, please. Watches, belts, and jackets must be removed.
Okay. Can I leave my laptop in the bag?
No, you must take it out.
All right. What about my tablet?
Yes, that too.
Can I keep my scarf on?
Yes, that's fine, but please empty your pockets.
Okay.
Ma'am, please step aside. Do you have anything metal?
Oh, maybe it's my keys.
Please put them in the tray.
Done.
Great. You may go.
Excuse me, where are the toilets?
They are just around the corner to your right.
Thank you. And is there a cafe nearby?
Yes, there is one near Gate 5.
Perfect. I'll get a coffee before boarding.
Good morning. Boarding for Flight 234 to Rome is now open. Please have your boarding passes ready.
Hello. Here is my boarding pass and passport.
Thank you. Do you only have this backpack?
Yes.
Perfect. Please board through Gate 15.
Thank you. Welcome on board. Can I help you find your seat?
Yes, I'm in seat 12A. Right this way. Window seat on your left.
Thank you. Excuse me, may I have a blanket?
Of course, here you order.
Could I also have some water?
Certainly. Still or sparkling?
Still, please.
Here you go. Would you like chicken or pasta?
Pasta, please.
Anything to drink?
Just juice, thank you.
Excuse me, where is the nearest restroom?
At the back of the plane.
Good evening. What is the purpose of your visit?
I am here on vacation.
How long will you stay?
For 2 weeks.
Where will you stay?
At a hotel in central Rome.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
Excuse me, where can I find bags from the flight from Berlin?
Carousel number 4.
Thank you.
I can't find my suitcase.
Please report it at the lost luggage counter.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, where can I get a taxi?
Just outside the exit to the left.
Thank you very much.
Taxi, ma'am. Where are you going?
Yes, I need to go to my hotel in central Rome.
Of course. Please put your luggage in the trunk.
Thank you. How long will the ride take?
Around 30 minutes, depending on traffic.
Okay, that's fine. How much will it cost?
About 40 euros.
All right, let's go, please. Rome looks beautiful.
Yes, it is. Are you visiting for the first time?
Yes, it's my first time here.
You will enjoy it. Don't forget to see the Colosseum and the Vatican.
Thank you for the suggestion.
Here we are, your hotel.
Great! Thank you very much. Here is the fare.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay in Rome.
Thanks. Have a good day.